So I'm Amy, and I'm the founder and executive design director at Amy Palmer Interiors. So I came to this course after attending one of Jessen's seminars, where he talks about how to streamline your business and how to grow your business to other levels. And I actually felt I needed some direction in how to take my business to that next level. Okay, so this course is a really intense course. It's 3 very, very long days, and it's packed with lots of content and information that kind of goes over your head, because there's so much valuable information that your brain starts to think about what you need to do next. So it's been very valuable. There's so much to do and so much to change that I think I need more help to just get that all done. So what I'd say to anybody that's interested in doing this course is, if you really want to take your business to the next level and you want to attend a course that will help you get there, this is definitely the course for that. However, I'd advise you only to take that step if you're going to take action after doing the course, because otherwise it really is going to be a waste of very expensive money. They are very likable people. They're very approachable. They're not just there at the top of the chain selling the ideas and not giving you additional support. During the 3 days that I've been on this course, I can see that they've been going around and helping people personally in their businesses and giving them tips and tricks and content and information that you wouldn't get unless you're having coaching sessions with them. So I'd say that they've got a lot of gifts to share, and it's very fortunate to be able to spend the weekend without having the coaching sessions and yet getting coaching support alongside a course.